What's up, drivers? Strap in, because we're about to blast your ride into a whole new league. Today, I'm talking about 20+ insane Amazon car gadgets that bring straight power, precision, and pure convenience to every mile you drive. These aren't just upgrades, they're glow-ups for your entire driving experience. And if anything grabs your attention, all the links are right there in the description, easy to check out whenever you're ready. So fire it up, let's hit the road and dive straight in. Kicking things off with this powerful 4K dash cam setup that captures every moment on the road in crisp, ultra-high definition. Wide-angle recording ensures full coverage, while night vision keeps details clear even in low light. Loop recording saves space, and the built-in G-sensor locks important footage automatically. Whether you're documenting scenic drives or protecting yourself during incidents, this cam provides undeniable clarity. Reliable, sleek, and feature-packed. It's a true must-have for everyday safety and peace of mind behind the wheel. Up ahead, this car headrest tablet holder turns your back seat into an instant entertainment hub, perfect for road trips or daily rides. It keeps tablets secure for watching movies, studying, or gaming. Adjustable arms fit most devices, while sturdy grips prevent slipping over bumps. Installation takes seconds, and the slim profile blends seamlessly with your interior. Whether keeping kids occupied or passengers entertained, this handy upgrade adds comfort, convenience, and effortless organization to long drives without cluttering your cabin. Moving forward, this retractable car charger brings clutter-free power to your dashboard. With a pull and release mechanism, the cable extends smoothly and retracts back neatly, eliminating tangled wires forever. Fast charging ensures your devices stay powered on the go, while universal compatibility covers phones, tablets, and more. Compact, clean, and incredibly practical, this charger keeps your car interior organized while delivering reliable performance. If you love a tidy setup without losing functionality, this upgrade instantly elevates your driving experience. Shifting into storage mode, this collapsible trunk organizer keeps everything neatly arranged in your cargo area. With multiple compartments for groceries, tools, or travel essentials, it prevents shifting during sharp turns or sudden stops. Sturdy walls and a reinforced base add stability, while the fold-flat design allows instant storage when not in use. Whether for daily shopping or weekend road trips, this organizer adds structure and convenience to your trunk, transforming messy spaces into clean, accessible, and efficient storage zones. Rolling into comfort upgrades, this smart car air freshener brings premium fragrance and modern control to your cabin. Intelligent scent release ensures consistent freshness without overpowering, while long-lasting cartridges keep your car smelling clean for weeks. Sleek, compact, and stylish, it fits seamlessly onto your dashboard or vents. Whether you prefer calming, fruity, or fresh scents, this gadget elevates your interior atmosphere effortlessly. Practical, elegant, and tech-savvy, it keeps every ride pleasant and refreshing from start to finish. Now here's something clever. This car seat gap filler saves your keys, coins, and phone from disappearing into tight spaces. Designed to slide perfectly between your seat and console, it blocks gaps while adding extra storage for essentials. Durable material keeps everything intact, and the snug fit prevents shifting during turns. Whether fighting clutter or avoiding lost items, this tool brings instant organization and convenience. Simple yet incredibly effective, it keeps your cabin clean, accessible, and free from annoying seat gap mishaps. Coming up next, this rooftop cargo carrier bag adds massive storage space for long trips. Weatherproof fabric protects luggage from rain, wind, and dust, while reinforced straps keep everything secure at high speeds. Spacious capacity makes packing easy, whether for vacations, camping, or moving. The foldable design simplifies storage, and universal compatibility fits most vehicles. If you're running out of trunk space, this carrier transforms your car into a road-ready transport machine, boosting convenience and adventure without compromising interior comfort. Gliding into accessibility upgrades, this magnetic car phone mount keeps your device secure and visible at all times. Strong magnets grip your phone tightly, even over rough roads, while the swivel design lets you adjust viewing angles effortlessly. Installation takes seconds. Just stick it on and go. Whether navigating, streaming music, or taking hands-free calls, this mount ensures safe convenience. Small, sleek, and incredibly reliable, it delivers confidence and simplicity with every drive, making daily commutes smoother and safer. Switching lanes to organization, this set of car headrest hooks creates instant hanging space for bags, groceries, or backpacks. Designed to snap onto headrest posts effortlessly, these hooks keep items off the floor and within easy reach. Strong enough to hold heavy loads, they prevent clutter while protecting valuables from rolling around. Whether you're heading to work, traveling, or organizing your daily essentials, this simple upgrade maximizes interior space and keeps your cabin tidy, functional, and stress-free. Right after that comes this compact emergency tool featuring a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. Engineered for critical moments, it pierces windows instantly and slices seatbelts cleanly for fast escape, lightweight, and easy to store. It fits in consoles, doors, or keychains. Whether driving alone or with family, this life-saving device adds essential safety to every vehicle. Simple, reliable, and powerful, it provides peace of mind, ensuring you're prepared for emergencies that demand immediate action. Meanwhile, this heads-up display projects real-time speed, navigation, and driving data directly onto your windshield. No more glancing down, everything stays at eye level for safer, more focused driving. Bright, clear projection adapts to sunlight and night conditions, while easy setup connects to your car's system instantly. Whether cruising highways or navigating new routes, this futuristic upgrade adds style, practicality, and advanced safety. Sleek, modern, and incredibly useful, it transforms your dashboard into a smart command center. Hey, gearheads, don't forget, all the links to these awesome car gadgets are down in the description, ready for you to grab. Let's keep rolling with this portable jump starter, designed to revive dead batteries in seconds. Compact yet powerful, it delivers enough boost for cars, SUVs, and bikes without requiring roadside assistance. Built-in safety features prevent overcurrent and sparks, while the flashlight adds visibility in emergencies. Rechargeable and easy to store, it's perfect for road trips, winter seasons, and unexpected breakdowns. Reliable and convenient, this gadget gives you independence and confidence wherever you travel, ensuring you never get stranded again. Here's another smart upgrade. This compact tire inflator delivers fast, accurate air pressure anytime. With a digital gauge, auto stop function, and multiple nozzles, it handles car tires, bike tires, balls, and inflatables effortlessly. Portable and lightweight, it fits easily in your trunk for emergency use or routine maintenance. Whether prepping for long trips or fixing sudden pressure drops, this inflator provides safety, convenience, and reliability. Quick, efficient, and essential, it keeps your wheels road ready at all times. Now this one's clever. This cordless car vacuum tackles dirt, crumbs, dust, and debris with strong suction and multiple attachments. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it reaches tight corners, seat gaps, and undermats effortlessly. The rechargeable design eliminates cables, while the compact shape stores neatly in your trunk or glove box. Whether dealing with everyday messes or deep cleaning before a trip, this tool keeps your interior spotless. Practical, powerful, and portable, it delivers fast, efficient cleaning anywhere. Shifting into productivity mode, this steering wheel tray creates instant workspace or dining space inside your car. Perfect for lunch breaks, parked work sessions, or organizing documents, it attaches securely in seconds. The dual-sided design supports laptops, food, notebooks, and more, while remaining lightweight and compact for easy storage. Whether you're a traveler, student, or frequent commuter, this tray adds convenience and multitasking power to your vehicle. Practical, sturdy, and surprisingly versatile, it transforms downtime into useful moments. Up next, this foam cannon upgrades your car wash routine with thick, clingy foam that lifts dirt and grime effortlessly. Attach it to a pressure washer, and it delivers a satisfying, even coating that leaves your exterior spotless. Adjustable settings control foam thickness, making it ideal for detailing enthusiasts. Whether washing at home or prepping for long trips, this cannon enhances cleaning efficiency and reduces scratching. Fun, effective, and professional grade, it brings automotive spa quality straight to your driveway. Following that, this magnetic sunglasses holder keeps your shades protected and instantly accessible. Strong magnets lock glasses securely without scratching, while the clip attaches neatly to your visor. No more fumbling around or dropping expensive frames. Everything stays stable, even during bumpy drives. Compact and stylish, it blends with any interior. Whether storing regular glasses or sunglasses, this clever little gadget adds convenience and organization, ensuring your eyewear stays safe, clean, and right where you need it. Drifting into cleanliness again, this car cleaning gel reaches vents, cup holders, buttons, and tiny crevices where dust hides. Soft and flexible, it molds into every corner, lifting dirt instantly without leaving residue. Reusable and easy to store, it's perfect for quick touch-ups or detailed cleaning sessions. Whether you're a neat freak or just want a tidy cabin, this gel becomes your go-to tool for spotless interiors. Simple, effective, and oddly satisfying, it keeps your car fresh and dust-free. Now, let's talk about this car code reader. It identifies engine issues quickly by scanning and displaying trouble codes. It helps you understand warning lights, monitor performance, and avoid unnecessary mechanic visits. Easy to use, it plugs into your vehicle's OBD port and delivers instant results. Compact and beginner-friendly, it's perfect for DIY maintenance, early problem detection, and smarter vehicle care. Whether maintaining an older car or monitoring a newer one, this tool saves time, money, and stress with accurate insights. Right after that comes this compact car trash can that keeps your interior clean and clutter-free. Leak-proof lining prevents spills, while the lid traps odors for a fresh cabin. Adjustable straps secure it to seats or consoles, making it perfect for road trips or daily use. Large capacity fits wrappers, tissues, bottles, and more. Whether driving solo or with family, this trash can turn mess into order, maintaining a clean and organized vehicle effortlessly. Heading into security upgrades, this GPS smart tracker offers real-time location monitoring for your vehicle. Compact and discreet, it slips into hidden areas while connecting to your phone for instant alerts. Perfect for monitoring teens, fleet cars, or stolen vehicle recovery. It delivers accurate data and reliable tracking. Whether you're ensuring safety or protecting your investment, this device provides peace of mind. Smart, efficient, and dependable. It keeps your car visible at all times, no matter where the road leads. Finishing strong with this electric car jack, it makes tire changes quick, clean, and effortless. Powered through your vehicle, it lifts your car automatically with the push of a button. No manual cranking required. Built-in safety mechanisms prevent slipping, while sturdy construction supports heavy loads confidently. Compact storage ensures it stays ready for emergencies or routine maintenance. Whether you're on highways or remote routes, this jack brings convenience, power, and reliability, turning stressful breakdowns into manageable moments with minimal effort. And there you have it, your complete lineup of must-have car gadgets. Each one boosts convenience, safety, and style, making every drive smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. All product links are in the description, so go grab your favorites and upgrade your car today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car and truck upgrades.